All right, so in this chart, you'll notice you already have some numbers. So our numbers in this first column are what we would expect from the Punnett square. And the Punnett square is what we did up here. So we would expect 1 to be big H, 1 to be little h, and 2 to be big H, little h. So 1 out of 4, well, if I have 1 out of 4, that means out of 8, I'm going to have 2. Okay? And if I have 2 out of 4, that means out of 8, I'm going to have 4. So I just transferred those numbers here. Now what we have to do is calculate the percentage. So remember, we have to take the number divided by the total times 100. So here I've got 2. I've got 8 offspring total. So 2 divided by 8 times 100. Here I would have 4 divided by 8 times 100. You could also just look at your Punnett square here and you know 1 out of 4, so that's 25%. That would be fine as well, okay? In class, here's what we did. We flipped a coin 8 times. So I just gave you some results that you can use, all right? If you would rather flip 2 coins and see what results you get, you can add them in here instead. So you're going to calculate the percent same way. 1 divided by 8 times 100. 5 divided by 8 times 100, okay? So again, here's our expected. Here's what we actually got for our data. And then our goal in this lab is to figure out if we have more coin tosses, what does that do to our data? So if we combine all of our class results, everybody who flipped coins, what do we have for data? So I have that here. And again, you're going to find the percent. Okay, so 49 divided by here, we have 200 times 100. 100 divided by 200 times 100.